DroneSense is the most comprehensive, public safety-focused drone operations management, situational awareness, and collaboration platform on the market today. Our application is an all-encompassing pilot application for any type of public safety response, ranging from training to dynamic incident response and disaster response and recovery operations. The pilot app can support air, land, and sea operations, and this support includes crewed aviation, uncrewed, blue and non-blue drones, ground-level first responders, and robotics, and of course, submersibles. DroneSense is also a standalone application that does not require the use of UAS manufacturers' native applications to operate the drone per CISA recommendations. We also offer a single point of situational awareness for major incident coordination for response and recovery of any public safety incident, with the ability to create or ingest operations plans in our system called Operations Hub. We have unlimited streaming ingestion for live feed and telemetry for air, land, and sea assets, as well as personnel. This allows you to ensure 720 degrees of situational awareness for any public safety response you may be coordinating or running as incident commander. The ability to push those feeds to both credential and non-credentialed first responders is also available to you, so that you can make sure all of the people responding to your major incident have the situational awareness of all of those assets in one nice location. We also offer DroneSense Remote, which enables drone as first responder operations by offering the ability to fly a drone remotely from anywhere. DroneSense Remote also provides the ability to fly DJI Dock 1 and Dock 2, with more dock integrations coming. DroneSense Remote also provides the ability to have a publicly facing dashboard for transparency and ongoing DFR support for your community. We also offer an administration hub, and in DroneSense Airbase, we ensure the public safety drone programs have all of their data accessible to them to ensure a healthy and successful drone program. Our system automatically tracks all flights, hardware, and personnel, and we offer advanced reporting capabilities to highlight your drone program wins and also be able to meet those regulatory requirements provided from the FAA. Also, security is top of mind when it comes to DroneSense. The DroneSense platform enforces an end-to-end encrypted control and communications network link between the drone controller and mobile device, the DroneSense mobile app, and the DroneSense cloud application. The DroneSense cloud applications and infrastructure are SOC 2 Type 2 certified annually, meaning DroneSense has maintained continuously effective technical controls to safeguard the confidentiality, integrity, and ability of the cloud application, infrastructure, and data. We are also, again, SOC 2 Type 2 certified, with private cloud and on-prem solutions also available to you if those are some of the options that your agency is requiring. We also offer 24/7 USA-based support for any type of questions that you may have or in the field events that you're trying to manage. If you're looking to take your drone program to the next level, reach out to us today and let's get your agency on a trial of the program. Hope to see you soon.